Hello guys, hello, my name is Helena and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make some Linzer cookies. So here in the bowl I have my butter, sugar, egg, and I whipped it up a little bit until everything combined. And we're gonna add some lemon zest to it. So just make sure only yellow part of the lemon. Try not to put white part because that it might get a little bitter on you. Then we're gonna add flour, almond flour, and cinnamon. Okay, and now put it back in the mixer and let mix our dough until it all comes together. All right, and this is what it looks like. So it's pretty stiff dough. So let's take it out of the bowl. Okay, now to roll it out, if it sticks to your table, you can use a little flour on the table. Not too much, just enough for you to help you to roll it. Just like so. And I don't want to roll out all dough at the same time. It does a lot, so I'm gonna split it and roll half first. So probably maybe 1/4 of an inch thickness. So the cookie kind of not too thin, but not too thick. Something like that, that looks good. And take your cutters. So I'm gonna use they're quite large. And again, you can do different size. If you want to make them smaller, that's fine too. So it's your cookie and do it your way. I'm just showing you the recipe. All right, so cut them out and lay them on a tray. I put parchment paper on the tray. I don't put any butter over it. So not the wax paper, but parchment paper. Okay, and continue do so until you use up all your dough. Okay, so the Linzer cookie is a sandwich cookie, so it will contain two parts, obviously. So one will be whole cookie, and the second part that will go on top, we're gonna cut the little shapes out of. So you can do stars, you can do Christmas tree for a Christmas theme. You can do just plain circles or squares or any other shape that you can come up with. You just go for it. It will be nice and cute. Make sure it's large enough. See, like the rounds are pretty large because they will shrink as they bake. Like the circle's not gonna be as large and the star will shrink in a little bit. So don't be afraid, but don't do it on a complete the whole top. Just make sure you still have enough space on the edges or they will become brittle and may break easy on you. Okay, so cut them all out. Again, each cookie contains two parts, so make sure you don't undercount on what you need, and put them on the oven on a regular temperature, how you bake your cookies, for about 15 minutes. And this is what we're looking for after they already baked, just a little brown on the edges, and see the middle's a little shrunk. So that's what we like. Let them cool off. And let's put them together. I'm gonna use just regular raspberry jam for mine, but you can use any different fillings, different flavored jams. You can do ganache, you can do curds, whichever your heart desires. So just put a little of your filling on the middle of the whole cookie like so. Then spread it a little with your spatula so it doesn't look like a big blob. So kind of even out. And then your top part, go ahead and put on top, like so, and push it a little bit in so they come together. So what happens is the filling fills your cutout. See? And it looks so pretty. So continue to do so, and usually this cookie, you can eat it like that, or you can sprinkle some powdered sugar over the top, like I'm doing here. It just, I don't know, it just looks so pretty and always so festive. I like to wrap them in a little plastic bags and tie a little ribbon on top, and they always looks just so pretty. Alright, so here they are, my Linzer cookies. I hope you guys will give it a shot, give it a try. There's still some time before Christmas or for New Year or any other occasion, really. They always come out so cute. And thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. Bye, love you so much.